Hi, welcome to my video on how to assemble your KidzWerks Mini Step Stool. Step 1. Carefully remove each piece from the box and organize it so it's easy to find and easy to assemble. The only additional item you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Everything else is in the box. Step 2. Attach rectangular D piece to side panel A1. Grab your screws. Start them with your hand to make it nice and easy. Then grab your Allen wrench. Nice and snug. Step 2 complete. Step 3. Attach side panel A2 to the other side of the rectangular D piece. Again, we're going to start it by hand. Make sure it's snug. Grab our Allen wrench and finish it off. Step 3 complete. Step 4. Insert the platform B and attach each side. Easy to rest it on its side here. Again, start it by hand. Complete with the Allen wrench. Flip it over and complete the other side. Flip it over. Step 4 complete. Step 5. Attach the barrel and bolt F pieces to the bottom of the top step. These you can get pretty far by hand, and you will want to finish them up with the Phillips head screwdriver. It's best to go slow. With these can be a little delicate. Hits the plastic part and feels just slightly snug. You don't need to go too far in. As the black rubber hits, stop. It's all set. Step 6. Enter your barrel and bolts into the top holes of the side panels. Make sure it's nice and snug and fits well. Step 7. Plug in each cam lock so that the top channel here is facing up. and then tighten it nice and snug with your Phillips head screwdriver. It should just take a simple twist or two to lock it in. Once it feels tight, you can stop. It should be 1.5 twists. The top step should feel secure, and you're all set. 8. Attach the anti-slip pads to the bottom 4 legs of your step stool. Peel it off, sticky part down. And you're all set. Thank you for watching my video. KidzWerks, helping little ones dream big.